Good morning, good day, wherever you are. I hope you having a wonderful start to your day. Yesterday I had a date and it was a wonderful day. I did not record a lot. After we had breakfast, we went to the market to and back, to and from the location, and it was fabulous. We talk about food. My date yesterday is a nutritionist, and we talk about food, diet, health, how I feel about diet. There's no such thing as diet. It's what works for an individual body and so forth. And yeah, it was lovely. I didn't record a lot, so but today I'm taking my new family member and the monster to the park today. So Andy's feeling a bit better, so I'm taking him to the park. And I'm taking Mama Mia to the park as well. And I got permission that I could take her to the park. So yeah, let's see how that goes. They're checking their WhatsApp messages. Mia! Mia, Mia! Mama Mia! Good girl, good girl, good. Oh, okay. Okay, good girl. Mama Mia, Mama Mia. So they both did a bit of playing with the other dogs in the park, and now I'm walking back home. Órale. Gracias. No class, classy lady. I am back home and I am about to make breakfast. So let me take you through this process. Juicing, of course. I'm gonna add garlic to this. Garlic. Garlic, pepper. Garlic and black pepper. A little bit of smoked salt. I'm gonna add A little bit of miso. So this is intuition cooking. There's no set recipe, but very basic. So I had butter and garlic, and black pepper, so now it's brown butter and garlic, very garlicky. Cooking this down. I'm crushing on the garlic while I'm cooking the miso. This pasta here we have going for like 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the tuna to the pot. Still on low heat. Mix it. And then I'm going to add the pasta to this. And we are going to mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And then we're going to serve. So this is finished cooked. I had it going for another minute. So the pasta wasn't cooked, so let's see what's going on here. Now it's cooked. And now we're definitely going to serve this. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare this Christmas lima bean today. So I'm gonna cook 1 cup of Christmas lima bean. This is gonna go in the instant pot with garlic, bay leaf, pimento. That's going in. We're gonna go in with oregano, Mexicano. Oregano, and then some thyme leaf, and then I'm gonna pour some water in so that it's covered completely. And then we are gonna cover this for 60 minutes. So 1 hour, but I'm gonna put 15 minutes, 1 hour and 15 minutes on the timer. And let that cook, and we will be back in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Christmas lima bean. 1 hour and 15 minutes later, I'm gonna check on the peas, the beans. Let me show you what's inside, how it looks inside. So I'm gonna taste one of the beans to see if it's cooked and then add more things to this. It has a nice bite to it, not bad. So I'm gonna add some carrot and let this cook down some more. And add some salt. The flavor is delicious. Which one should I use?
Well, this one is close.
We can use the frozen one.
Yes?
How much do you want me to use?
One.
Okay, give it to me. You don't wash it?
Yes. Put it in don't freeze.
It has a casing on it?
It's terrible.
It's edible casing? The casing is edible? Are you sure?
Yes. It's not plastic.
Carrots and chistorro to this, and I'm gonna let it cook for a couple more minutes, and then we serve it with couscous. So I'm gonna be cooking couscous. I should show you what I'm putting in the pot. 1 cup, 1 cup. So yeah, I'm gonna toss this around quick. No, that's it, okay. Huh? What, this? Can you mix it around for me, please? Ooh. Make sure there's nothing on the bottom. Can I get another cup of this, please? 1 cup. Dresses going on in the bean pot. Couscous, pickled cabbage and carrots, Christmas bean that I prepare with carrots and chistoro. And yeah, I'm gonna prepare a cocktail. The sun is lovely. A lovely day for a walk with my little daughters. I'm walking on sunshine. Well, I'm walking on sunshine. Well,